11. Match the following. 1. ADA deficiency, gene therapy. 2. Human alpha-lactalbumin, ROSI. 3. ELISA, AIDS. 4. Alpha-1 antitrypsin, emphysema. 12. The most spectacular and evolutionarily fascinating example of mutualism are found in plant-animal relationship. Elucidate with examples. Answer. Write any two. 13. Give suitable terms for the following. A technique in plant biotechnology in which two different plant protoplasts are fused to create a hybrid with desirable traits from different varieties of plants. Answer. Somatic hybridization. B. Genetically identical plants obtained by micropropagation. Answer. Somaclones. 14. The species facing competition might evolve mechanisms that promote coexistence rather than exclusion. Evaluate the statement. Answer. Coexistence by resource partitioning. Two species choose different times for feeding or different patterns of foraging. Example. M.C. Arthur showed that 5 closely related species of warblers living on the same tree coexist due to behavioral differences in the foraging activities. No species is eliminated. 15a. Write the first trophic level of grazing food chain and detritus food chain. Answer. Grazing food chain, plants. Detritus food chain, detritus. B. In aquatic ecosystem, which food chain is the major conduct of energy flow? Answer. Grazing food chain. 16. Pathogens are used very effectively in biotechnology to transfer the DNA into host cells. Substantiate with suitable examples. Answer. Disarmed pathogen vectors, TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens and retrovirus. Agrobacterium tumefaciens can deliver tDNA to transform normal plant cells into a tumor. These tumor cells produce chemical required by pathogen. Tumor-inducing plasmid, TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens is modified into a cloning vector. Retrovirus transform normal cells into cancerous in animal cells. Disarmed retrovirus are used as vector. 17a. What are the adaptation of water-pollinated flowers? Answer. Colorless, nectarless, unisexual flower. Pollen grains are protected by mucilaginous covering. Long ribbon-like pollen grain. Write any 4 points. B. Give example for the following. 1. A water-pollinated plant where pollen released on the surface of water. 2. Water-pollinated plant where pollen released inside the water. Answer. 1. Vallisneria. 2. Seagrasses. 18. For effective treatment of a disease, early diagnosis and understanding its pathophysiology is very important. Early detection is possible through molecular diagnosis. Explain 3 molecular diagnostic tools for early detection of disease. Answer. PCR, ELISA. Radioactive probe, rDNA technology. Explain any 3 tools. 19. Given below the diagram of 2 bioreactors. A. Identify 1 and 2. Answer. 1. Stirred tank bioreactors. 2. Sparged stirred tank bioreactor. B. Compare the functioning mechanism of the 2 reactors. Answer. Stirred tank bioreactors, oxygen moves through a delivery system. Sparged stirred tank bioreactor, surface area of the culture medium is increased by bubbling the sterile air into the system. 20. Given below the organisms of grassland ecosystem. Grasshopper, grass, snake, frog. A. Draw the pyramid of numbers. Answer. Snake, frog, grasshopper, grass. B. Pyramid of biomass in a marine ecosystem is inverted. Give reason. Answer. In aquatic ecosystem, pyramid of biomass is inverted because biomass of phytoplankton is less as compared with that of small herbivorous fish that feed on these producers. C. Write any one limitation of ecological pyramids. Answer. Ecological pyramid does not accommodate food web, do not take into account same species belonging to 2 or more trophic levels. Write any 1 point.